have columnar cell, simple columnar, for your small intestine. In between these epithelial cells, you have the dome shape. Okay? For your simple columnar epithelium of your gut or intestine, you have there your microvilli, di ba? That will increase the surface area, di ba? For absorption, like that. But for your M cell, you only have there, konti lang, microfold. Hindi siya villi. You only have microfold. Konti lang ganun. Okay? And this is the one that is exposed to the antigenic substances. So sila yung parareceptor. Okay? With the kinds of slide that we have, don't look for the M cells, but theoretically you should know them. Okay? Huwag nyo nang hanapin. Okay, again, for the slide of the ileum, we have this aggregated lymphatic tissue or Peyer's patches. If in the practical exam, identify bracketed area, it is Peyer's patches. Classify bracketed area, it is aggregated lymphatic tissue. Okay? Okay, ba yun, ha? Identify, there's a name for that. Okay? Peyer's patches. But classify, it is an aggregated type of lymphoid tissue. Okay? It's another slide that we have. Peyer's patches, aggregated lymphoid tissue.
Parang 25 times na ito.
Another example of aggregated lymphoid tissue is your spleen. You will remember this, actually, appendix. You will remember that it is appendix. It is a cross-section. It's the only one that is a cross-section. Huh? It's hard to determine if it is the longitudinally cut. Okay? So, with the low power magnification, and therefore extra. Okay? So, you have here your aggregated lymphatic tissue there. Submucosal like that. Okay? Take note that you have there your muscle layer there. The layering of your gut. Okay? Then of course you have here your lumen. Then higher power magnification, you have the lining epithelium, simple columnar epithelium, and then the rest of the mucosal layer, you have your aggregated lymphoid nodule or MA. Mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. This is mucosa. Okay? And these are the other kind of slides that we have. Silver stain. And the other slide. Just have to be familiar because we have different type of slide for at least we have these three types, okay? Okay. So for lymphoid tissue, you have the non-encapsulated, the solitary aggregated. For the encapsulated lymphoid organs, you have the thymus, the lymph node, and the spleen. The thymus, okay, you have the lobated, okay? The older you get, the more connective tissues you have, okay? And within each lobe, you'll have the medulla and the cortex, and within the cortex, you have your thymic corpuscle, okay? And then, of course, you have the lymph node, okay? You have the cortex and medulla, isa lang siya, okay? Then you have the lines, single layer of, you can have more than one layer of lymphoid nodes. But characteristically, you have the capsule and the subcapsular sinus. And of course, you have the medullary course and the sinuses. Okay? And then for the spleen, okay, you have the white part and the red part. If you see the white part, you can see there your central artery. That's how to identify them. Okay? Okay, so for the other mucosa-associated lymph tissue, you have the tonsil. Okay, characteristically, you have there your crypts. And for the tonsil, depending on the location, it will have the lining epithelium. If it is your palatine tonsil, it is lined by simple stratified squamous epithelium. Non-keratinized, but mucosa of the oral cavity. Okay? And then it will have crypts, several crypts. Okay? And on this part, you'll have several lymph nodules, lymphoid nodules. And for each lymphoid nodule, you have your germinative center. So tonsils will have crypts, okay? But which tonsil will only have single crypt? Okay, so but you have there as your lingual, okay? So high magnification. How will you know that this space is the tonsillar crypt? Look at the lining epithelium. Okay? If it is stratified squamous epithelium, it is a tonsillar crypt. Palatine at that. Okay? So, there again. So, stratified squamous epithelium, you have the space. These are the crypts. And then on either side, you have your lymphoid nodules. Okay? Tonsillar crypts. Other slide that we have, again, okay, stratified squamous epithelium, space that will extend to the deeper structure. Okay. So dito na the bacteria will be trapped into this area. Okay. Okay, what is this? So this is the posterior 1/3 of the tongue, and take note that you have the stratified squamous epithelium. Okay, and you have this as your lymphoid nodule. Okay. And it will only have one crypt. The other type of tonsil is your pharyngeal tonsil, which we don't have. We don't have slide of pharyngeal tonsil. But characteristically, you will know that it is pharyngeal tonsil if the lining epithelium is that of respiratory epithelium, which is pseudostratified columnar ciliated epithelium with goblet cell. Because it is found in the nasopharynx, which is respiratory tract. Because your pharyngeal tonsil is located in posterior superior part of your nasopharynx. You only have one of them. No? So hence it is lined by respiratory epithelium. Again, it will have several crypts, but lesser than what you have in your palatine tonsil. Okay, so palatine tonsil, stratified squamous epithelium, multiple crypts. Stratified squamous epithelium, only one crypt, lingual tonsil. Should the stratified columnar epithelium with cilia plus more crypts, you'll have pharyngeal. Okay? You only have one crypt there. Okay? Wala nang iba. There. If only you had the microslide projection before the exam, no? Ano? Okay. So again, the mouth, encapsulated, thymus, lymph node, and the spleen. You know how to differentiate them na, ha? Okay. So, for the encapsulated, thymus lobated, this lobule has cortex and medulla. It will have your corpuscles, or tiny corpuscles. For lymph node cortex with the nodules, the medulla will have the cords and the sinuses. Okay? The spleen will have the white part and the red part plus your central artery in the white part. Okay? And then for the mucosa-associated lymph tissue, solitary, mostly B cells, pairs patches, usually lined by simple columnar epithelium. For tonsil, it is lined by stratified squamous epithelium. Then there'll be crypts. That's how to differentiate, okay? You have this in your Junquera.
May appearance kayo dun sa video. Upload ko sa groups.
There, kanina kapuno kayo dito, spleen with lymph node.
Sa College of Medicine.
If only you saw this.
Say hi.
Okay.
Pam, say
If
hi.
you identify pointer structure, this specific, Be specific.
Solitary.
Isa lang siya eh. Solitary nodule, lymph nodule. Isa lang kaya. Be specific. Well, identify pointer structure. It could be lymph nodule. But be specific, solitary. Okay? Identify pointer structures.
Asal.
Huh? Hasas or thymic corpus cells. Identify the organ. Clean. You have the white part, the red part. Identify the bracketed areas. The green, white part, the blue, red part. Okay. Identify the organ. Lymph node. You have the cortex and the medulla with medullary cords and space and sinuses. Identify pointer structure.
Medullary cords.
Identify bracketed structure. Be specific. Identify bracketed structure. Pairs, patches. Classify bracketed structure. Identify pointed structures. Yung blue. Light blue. Light blue.
White top.
Huh? Oh, those are in front. May specific pointed structure. Oh.
Central artery.
Central artery. Central artery. Yung B. The dark blue. Anong cord? Medullary cord. Oh. The organ is? Oh, what cord?
Nasaan ang cord dyan?
Clinical. Ay, naku. The space.
Sa big,
Huh? It is lined by
stave cells.
stave cell. Click sinuses or sinus. Identify the whole organ. Hmm? Ano?
Thymus, oh.
Thymus. Identify bracketed area.
Cortex.
Cortex.
Medulla.
Medulla. Identify A. B. Hindi, ang layo eh.
Staves. Ay.
The pulse is on this area. Just around peri-arterial. That's the marginal.
Marginal zone.
Marginal. Okay, identify. Oh, tinanggal. Yung red. Dami. Red. Yung green. The light green. Sorry. The dark blue.
Cord. Medullary cord.
Okay, the yellow. Okay.
Lymphoid nodule.
On.
Ito na.